Oh, hey, do you love talking about food and all the delicious things that come with it? Well, get ready to sink your teeth into a whole new satisfying thing. Food idioms. Today, we're going to explore a whole new world of expressions that are both appetizing and tongue-twisting. From spill the beans to butter someone up, we'll be exploring the weirdest and wackiest ways that food has influenced our everyday language. So, grab a snack, sit back, and let's get ready to dig in. First up, a piece of cake. This idiom means that something is very easy to do. For example, this test is a piece of cake for me. Second, we have to put all your eggs in one basket. This means risking everything on one plan or idea. For instance, I'm not going to put all my eggs in one basket and invest all my savings in one stock. At number 3, let's talk about to be in a pickle. This means being in a difficult situation. For example, I'm in a pickle because I lost my wallet and I don't have any money. Number 4, if you bite off more than you can chew, it means you have taken on more than you can handle. For instance, I bit off more than I could chew when I volunteered to organize the school's annual day all by myself. Fifth one, when you butter someone up, you are being overly nice or complimentary to get something in return. For example, he's trying to butter his dad up so that he buys him a new laptop. At number 6, if you want to summarize something briefly, you can say, in a nutshell. For instance, to put it in a nutshell, the project was a success. Number 7, to spill the beans means to reveal a secret or to give away information that was supposed to be kept a secret. For example, I accidentally spilled the beans about the surprise party. Number 8. If two people are very similar in any way, we can say that they're like two peas in a pod. For instance, those twins are like two peas in a pod. It's so hard to tell them apart. Number 9. When you take something with a pinch of salt, you are skeptical of what you're being told and you don't fully believe it. For example, I take everything my friend says with a pinch of salt because she's known for exaggerating. And lastly, at number 10, if you walk on eggshells, it means you're being very careful not to offend or upset someone. For instance, ever since the argument, I've been walking on eggshells around my brother to avoid any more conflict. And that brings us to the end. I will see you next time.